May, sabi niya, bakit ang bibilis mong lumakad ngayon? Yung ganon. Kasi sabi ko, wala nang masakit kasi sa akin. And then, kanina dahil nasa birthday nga rin ako, sabi nila, ano po yung kinukwento nyo? Kasi ang sakit-sakit ng tuhod ko. Para bang nafe-feel kong ang daming may sakit sa tuhod, sa paa, ano ba yan? Sabi ko, puro ganun ang problema ng mga lalo na yung mga babae or no? Kasi lalo na pag medyo po kami yung built namin, di ba? Yung ganon. Pero talaga sabi ko ang tawag ko dito is not iTerra Care. Magic wand. Kasi miracle sabi ko, minagic ako nito kasi talagang happy ako dito. Kaya hindi nang gusto ko i-share. And then, sugar ko is 250. Kain ako ng something sweet. Siyempre, tumataas. Alam mo, nanginginig po ako. But then ngayon, uminom ako ng soft drinks. Talagang ino-observe ko, Para bang nararamdaman ko na agad. Then nawala yung dito ko, kasi mataas din po tumaas din ang cholesterol ko. Kasi, tawag dito, siguro, mataas din po yung trigy ko. Kaya ngayon, yung test ko, sabi ko, magpapatest ako uli, magpapalab test ako uli para to compare yung sinasabi nyo po ngayon. Kasi meron ako record dito na personor ako. Yung ganon.
At first, I said, nah, I'm already chill. I don't want any headache, And she insists that I would try it. And being a close friend, of course, I try it and I get it from the California Stock Exchange on October 11. And to my amazement, it's unbelievable. I know everybody over there, they said, blah, 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 it's just a talk, it's just a marketing. At first, that was me too, blah, blah, blah. But undeniable. Wow! I says, wow! It told me like that. And at first, about 5 to 10%. And as it's getting longer, it's about 5 weeks now, it reduced my pain for about 80%.
Oh,
and I begin to introduce it to my wife, so her pain is gone too. And the doctors, of course, they are my friend. And it can be because they're internal medicine, naturopathy, doctors of physical therapy, and chiropractor. They said, just try it, just give me a feedback because, I respect you. Being a doctor, I just want your honest to goodness opinion. And amazement, they dropped down too, and now they're the ones encouraging, let's sit it on Zoom, And next week, we're gonna teach it. I have 2 or 3 doctors already. They got a school that they're gonna teach it. So watch us, Dr. Honoree. We will be exploding over here once this doctor gets the hands of this. And at my age, being a senior, man, I can play basketball again. I can tackle football again.
I know.
I can go on, but there's a lot of people who really dying to give up this stuff and this one. So, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa.
In 3 days time lang po, yung pain ng arthritis ng mami ko, totally po nawala. Thank God po, hindi na po siya umiinom ng pain reliever.
Gumaling na ako. Ano ko pa nang susugatan ko pa sarili ko.
Ngayon, anong masasabi nyo, Nay?
Aba, huwag na tayong maghintay pa ng tayo lumala ang ating sakit. Dahil lang pa dito sa isang na hawak-hawak kong tuwi, ako'y napakalaki ng i-develop ng aking sarili. Talagang totoo ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Binibigyan ko kayo ng napakalaking advice.
Amen. Salamat, Nanay. Nanay, can you share to us kung ano ang ginawa ng iTerra Care sa iyo?
Ay, tuwan-tuwa ako kasi alam mo, sa unang araw pa lang talagang nakita ko na ang development ng aking sarili. Kasi ako'y almost 15 years o 20 years na yung tuhod ko yung napakasakit. Pero once na ginamitan ako ni I think for half an hour o 40 minutes, napansin kong talagang napakalaki na develop ng aking tuhod, binti at saka yung paa.
Nanay, anong nangyari sa inyo nung nakakalakad na kayo simula dito hanggang sa...
Aba, nakapaglakad na ako mula rito hanggang TNT, back and forth, and also all my friend in this store. Nalilibot ko sila. Tsaka yung step ko lumaki, yung guminhawa.
Pag-akyat nyo sa hagdan?
Pag-akyat ko sa hagdan. Hindi na yung dating una-una yung one step. Ito hindi na. Talagang normal na yung kung ano yung ginagawa natin na talagang normal na hakbang. Yun ang
Amen. At sabi niyo po sa akin, kayo ay nakaschedule na for surgery on your knee
not yet, but you know,
Oo.
this year,
this year.
for sure that I have a schedule for operation.
Okay.
Pero
Yan.
no more.
Magpapasurgery pa kayo?
No more.
Hindi na. Kasi
Gumaling na ako.
After a few minutes of treatment,
I can dance already.
wow! Woohoo! Thank you, Altera Care. How old are you?
I'm 74 years old.
Wow! Thank you so much, ma'am. And what happened to your varicose veins after one therapy? Yeah. Lighten. And a while ago, it was more inflamed, okay? Now it's better. All right, great. Thank you.
Short now.
Tell us your experience before this. What do you feel? What do you feel before your Itera Care device treatment?
So I can walk.
After a few minutes of treatment,
I can dance already.
wow! Woohoo!
Yung sa kasabihan na health is wealth, naniniwala ako doon na ang kalusugan kayo manana. Ito na nga yung solusyon eh. Hindi mahal ito sa akin. Bakit? Makakabili tayo ng TV, makakabili tayo ng aircon, makakabili tayo ng motorsiklo, makakabili tayo ng iPhone. Bakit yung kalusugan na magsusolusyon na mamahalan tayo? Naniniwala ko sa Tira Health talaga na sulit eh. Na health ang inaalagaan, hindi dapat tayo nang hinayang. Dapat naglimbis tayo una-una sa kalusugan kasi ang katawan natin, ito yung ito yung investment para mabuhay ang makan.
That's the temple of God.
Mahalaga kalusugan.
Sabi mo po na dito ka gumaling
Oo.
at yan sa Itera Care.
Yun nga.
Tapos, bakit mo nasabing diyan ka lang gumaling?
Dahil nung 2019 kasi, nag-therapy ko sa mga traditional therapy, gadgets. Alam na natin yun eh. Hindi ko naman sinasabing nakatulong, pero mabagal ba?